I'm going to show you quickly how to sign up for YouTube TV. First thing you're going to do, you're going to go to tv.youtube.com. It's going to bring you to this page. Right now, football season is in full swing, so you see football kickoff. Special $10 off for 3 months. We're going to actually go ahead and redeem this offer. That's not a bad deal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this with you, but I'm going to blot out any personal information. It gives you an option to browse before you sign up, but you're better off checking out my other YouTube videos. I don't think it really gives you a good picture. Just start free trial. I always feel like it's better to start with less and then add more. It's always harder to give up stuff than it is to sign up for more stuff. So at first, it's your first time doing it, just skip right to next add-ons. We're not going to do any add-ons. We're just going to go to checkout, and you're just going to fill out your credit card information. After you fill out your credit card information, you'll see the screen. You don't have to do anything here. Scroll down a little bit and then hit skip. If you would like to see me set it up on any certain devices, just leave a comment down below and just click start watching. Anything you're confused about, please leave in the comments down below. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, everybody. Stay safe. Have a great day.